Why do HVAC professionals recommend bringing jumpers and multimeters to every service call? A jumper and a multimeter are the two tools that let a technician quickly separate wiring, simulate controls, and verify electrical conditions without guesswork. Use a jumper lead to temporarily close a control circuit at the terminal block to confirm whether a relay, contactor, or thermostat call is being received. Do that only after isolating power and using a non-contact voltage tester to ensure safety. With a multimeter set to appropriate ranges for voltage, continuity, or resistance, measure supply voltage at the compressor and fan motor, check continuity across windings and safety switches, and verify low voltage control signals at the transformer and thermostat. When checking capacitors, use the meter to measure microfarads if your meter supports that, or at minimum verify that the capacitor is not an open circuit and that it holds expected millifarad values compared to manufacturer specifications. Always document measured values, record terminal labels and wiring colors, then restore original wiring exactly as found to avoid post-service failures. Develop a habit of taking photographs or notes before any jumper is applied and after testing to maintain a clear audit trail for the customer and for warranty purposes. Common mistakes include using jumpers with power applied, which can short live conductors and damage controls. The fix is to de-energize circuits where practical, confirm dead circuits with a verified voltage tester, and only apply jumpers to low voltage control terminals when following safe procedures. Another issue is relying on one set of measurements without load testing, which can hide intermittent failures. To avoid that, measure under both no load and operational load conditions, and observe current draw with a clamp meter when necessary. A third problem is misreading or misconfiguring the multimeter, leading to false readings. Calibrate and familiarize yourself with the meter, choose the correct range and function before probing, and double-check measurements by repeating tests or using a second instrument if results are unexpected. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a place to find work by posting services and responding to homeowner requests. We also host a discussion community where users and tradespeople exchange real-world tips, ask questions, and share experiences related to preparedness and service best practices.